Hello guys, welcome to Online Web Tutor presented by Perfect team. I am Sanjay. We are learning WordPress Gutenberg tutorial for beginners. This is our part 9. Inside this video session guys, we will discuss about reusable block concept in Gutenberg. If I back to browser, now in the last video, we had seen the use of adding widgets block to our post and page. Now here, inside this video, we are going to discuss about reusable block. The name itself clears that the block we are going to reuse multiple times. Let's understand. So if I back to browser, go to post, let's click on add new, and I'm going to create, let's say, post number as video number 9, and simply we are going to use, let's say, pull quotes here. So if I press plus sign, I'm going to use pull quotes. So before using pull quotes, I need to use column here, so get rid of that. I am clicking on that and scroll down, say let's say columns. I want that 3 columns here. So the first column I am going to add, let's say, pull quotes, and inside this, let's say, paste. Channel to learn WordPress tuts, and here inside this, let's say, online web tutor. Inside this second column, I am again going to use call pull quotes here. Let's say that best channel to grow your skills. Again here, if I writing my name here, again back to this third column and adding again a new pull quotes. So let's say that learn and grow all WordPress customizations, and here simply let's say online web tutor. Now writing, we have now 3 columns dividing and 3 pull quotes in each respective columns. Now if we change some styling of this using these pull quotes, go to styles, I'm to use, let's say, solid color. I'm to change this main color layout, so let's say that these are the colors I'm to use, and also inside this text color, let's say text color, and I'm going to use the color should be something and let's say color is something like this. Or also if I change to black, instead of this main color, if I change to black, and the text color something should be white. Now it is looking perfect. Again for the second pull quotes, again I am to choose the main color as black and text color is white. And the style of this second pull quotes is going to be solid color. Now for the third pull quotes, solid color, and I am to choose, let's say this is third, and the text color should be white. Now if we save all these changes, click on publish. Now successfully we have posted our post. Go to front end. Now as we can see, inside this post number 9, we have created 3 column and 3 pull quotes. Now let's say that this is a widget we want to make in our WordPress site. It means this is the column, or let's say this is the pull quotes I am to use inside multiple posts. Let's say we have several posts in our WordPress site, and I'm going to use this block, means 3 column block with 3 pull quotes in each post. I'm not going to create like in each post about these pull quotes as well as about the column layout. So how can we make this simple column layout into a reusable block? Back to admin panel, and here go to this column setting. If we click on this three dot, here we have called add to reusable blocks. It means that we are going to add this layout to reusable blocks. Click on that. Now here we need to provide about the name of that reusable block. So let's say that 3 columns pull quotes layout, and simply if we save this change, now this is the name actually we have provided as the reusable block name. Again, back to click on all post, and before that we need to update this post. Click on all post, let's say that add new, and something we are going to create, let's say post number, let's say 9.1. Inside this I'm to use, let's say, our paragraph tag, and inside this paragraph tag, if I copy this some dummy content, pasting it here. Now again I'm going to use, and this is for our paragraph only, again I'm going to use, let's say, for the new layout, and here inside this click on formatting, and instead of formatting, let's go inside this, and I'm going to use, let's say, media and text. Here inside this I'm going to upload some of the images from this media library, so select that, and I'm going to paste some dummy content from this dummy text Chrome extension, so copy the text and pasting it here. Now right now inside this post number 9.21 we have a paragraph tag as well as a media and text block. Click on publish, and to publish this post click on view post. So right now inside this post number 9 we have only these blocks as we can see. Now what we want that the block what we have developed here should be reused inside this post number 9.1. Again, back to admin panel, click on this plus icon, or instead of this click on this plus icon. Now here we can see that we have a reusable block. Remember, when you have made or created any reusable block, then this block should be appeared. If in your case, let's say that you have not made any reusable block, then this will be missing. So click on that, and here we can see that 3 columns pull quotes layout. This is the name what we have given for this layout. So I am clicking on that, and successfully, as we can see that we have now successfully implemented this layout inside this post number 9.1. If I click on update, go to front end, reload this page. So successfully, as we can see that we have reused what we have made the columns layout with 3 different pull quotes. Again, back to admin panel. Now let's say that if we want to implement this like reusable block in multiple posts, then we can just implement and add and use it. If we want to do any changes inside these blocks, we need to go inside original post where we have created. Click on all post, go to post number 9, and inside this post number 9 we can change here. So let's say that go at the top, and right here as we can see that with this column we have an edit button. This is the edit button to edit actually about the name of this what we have made for this reusable block. Click on edit, and as we can see that this is the edit layout, but we want to edit, let's say, for some pull quotes. If we click on that, and we can see that the edit layout appears. And here let's say that if we want to remove this WordPress tuts from here, so now we have edited some contents inside this first block. Let's say that again I am going to edit some content from this second block. So successfully we have done that. Click on save. Now successfully we have updated. Back to this page, reload this layout, and as we can see that inside this post number 9.1 we haven't updated about the pull quotes layout. Instead we have updated about the pull quotes layout inside this post number 9. So it means that when we will make any reusable block and edit, it will be reflected about each post where actually we have implemented. We have a WordPress website. Inside that WordPress website we have multiple reusable blocks what we have created. So let's say that if we want to manage all the things about reusable blocks, then simply we need to click on this icon and go inside this reusable block, and here we can see about manage all reusable blocks. Click on these links, and here so right now we have only one reusable blocks what we have created. We can create multiple blocks like this inside this WordPress setup, and we can manage from here. Either we can edit, move to trash, or we can export into a JSON file. So successfully guys, inside this video we understood and seen that how can we create reusable blocks and use inside another posts. So inside this video session guys, if you went out, then please drop your comment. I will give my reply as soon as possible. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.